Hey guys, how's it going? In this video we're going to take a look at some of the cryptocurrency charts. In particular I'm going to focus on Bitcoin, Ethereum and Ripple. And I'm going to tell you why I'm bearish on Bitcoin and Ethereum but bullish on Ripple. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, stick around and find out more. Hey guys, so as you know, the Bitcoin halving is just a day and a half-ish away, and last night Bitcoin decided to take a massive steaming dump and crashed out 10% of its market cap, taking the vast majority of altcoins down with it. So without further ado, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, so as you can see here, I've used the Fibonacci retracement tool to draw out from the last clean high all the way down to the peak of the dump last night. We're now consolidating in between the 0.236 range and the 0.382. We obviously did crash below that last night, and we also tried to close above the 382 early hours of this morning GMT. However, we haven't reclaimed that, and I don't expect us to stay there for any particular length of time. You can see that I've drawn out a grey box. This is an area of liquidity that I'm interested in for actually shorting Bitcoin. The main reason I am bearish is the fact of the recent sort of pump we had. There's nothing there to support that growth. There's a big vacuum of liquidity. Our next liquidity area is between 7,600 and 7,800, which is where I think we're going to go. I do, however, think we are going to sort of pump into my little grey box around $9,000 before we take out any longs and reclaim the 7,800 to 7,600 mark. Now, of course, I could be completely wrong, and most probably am. So please don't take anything I say as financial advice. I'd hate to think any of you guys are entering trades based on my technical analysis. This is just my opinion and what I'm looking for in the charts. So it's kind of very much the same for Ethereum. We can see exactly the same pattern. We have the massive dump in the early hours of the morning, and then we reclaim the 0.236 and test the 0.382, but we're again unable to close above it. The areas of liquidity are very much the same. I've got a grey area above where we are now, which it was previously an accumulation zone. So if there are any whales, they may be looking to accumulate short positions in this area. Again, we have an area of liquidity underneath us at 172-ish, so around 170 to 175, which is where I think that we could end up. However, I think if we can hold that area, then we can expect to reclaim the 190 area at some point in the near future. If we can't hold the 170 range, then I expect us to drop down to about 150. So it's really, for me, it's a very bearish scenario on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, Ripple, and I hate to say that I am bullish on Ripple, I really don't like the project, and I know a lot of you are going to give me some hate in the comments, but I don't care. But as I say, I am actually slightly bullish on Ripple. We're already in an accumulation range where there's plenty of liquidity, which means that we could hold this and possibly reclaim the 22-23 cent mark. However, if Bitcoin does take another dump and we see more market cap being lost, I think that we're going to go down to about 18 cents, where we're going to range for a little bit before reclaiming the 20 cents mark. So overall, a lot brighter outlook on Ripple than we have on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I wouldn't be looking for shorts on Ethereum. However, I would be looking for longs in that 18 cent area. But I wouldn't be putting any trades in until I am relatively certain that there's a confirmation of my idea. I'd really like to hear your thoughts on the charts that I've showed you today. Let me know if you like this video content and whether you'd like to see more of it in the future. This has been a bit of a test, so if you guys absolutely hate it, that's fine, and I won't do any more. If you guys are interested, then I will keep creating this kind of content for you. Ultimately, you're the community, and I am here to create content for you. So please do let me know in the video comments. If you've enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, give it a thumbs down. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please do so now. You can hit the bell icon to receive notifications of when we upload more content. And why not consider checking out one of these videos above? But for me, that's it, and I will see you guys next time.